Hello and welcome back to TechRoots by Roat. In this video, we are going to understand a very important concept in computers, the operating system. Have you ever wondered what makes your computer or mobile actually usable? That is where the operating system comes in. An operating system, also called OS, is a type of software that manages both hardware and software. It acts as a bridge between the user and the computer. Let's understand this step by step. When you give a command, like clicking an application, the operating system takes that request and tells the hardware what to do. It ensures everything works smoothly without you needing to understand the internal details. The operating system performs several important functions. First, memory management. It decides how much memory each program gets and ensures efficient usage. Second, file management. It organizes files and folders so you can easily store and access data. Third, process management. It handles running applications and ensures multiple programs can work at the same time. Fourth, device management. It controls hardware devices like keyboard, mouse, and printer. Now think of the operating system like a manager in an office. The manager assigns tasks, manages resources, and ensures everything runs smoothly. Without the manager, there would be confusion and chaos. Similarly, without an operating system, a computer cannot function properly. Let's take a simple example. When you click on a browser icon, the operating system receives your input, loads the application into memory, and allows it to run. Then you can interact with it smoothly. So every action you perform on your computer is handled by the operating system in the background. To summarize, an operating system is the main software that controls the computer, manages resources, and acts as a bridge between the user and the machine. If you found this helpful, subscribe to TechRoots by Roat and continue your journey into computer fundamentals.